Some of the world's most iconic dishes were never planned. They were born in moments of pressure, creativity, and a little bit of improvisation. One such story begins in 1924 in the vibrant border city of Tijuana. This is the story of how the legendary Caesar salad came to life. Welcome to Hospitality Tales. The restaurant was owned by Cesare Cardini, an Italian immigrant who had built a reputation for great food and warm hospitality. His restaurant in Tijuana attracted visitors from nearby Los Angeles, especially during weekends and holidays. One particularly busy time was the 4th of July weekend in 1924. The restaurant was packed with hungry guests. But the kitchen had a problem. They were running out of ingredients. With customers waiting and the kitchen supplies running low, Cardini had to think quickly. Instead of turning guests away, he decided to create something new using whatever ingredients were left. What he found was simple: fresh romaine lettuce, garlic, olive oil, lemon juice, egg, parmesan cheese, Worcestershire sauce, and toasted bread. But Cardini didn't just mix the ingredients in the kitchen. He prepared the dish right at the guest's table, turning cooking into a performance. He rubbed the bowl with garlic, added crisp lettuce leaves, whisked together egg, lemon, olive oil, and seasoning, then finished it with grated parmesan and crunchy croutons. The guests loved the flavor, but they also loved the experience. It wasn't just a salad. It was theater, hospitality, and creativity served on a plate. And just like that, a legend was born. Stay tuned for more Hospitality Tales.